Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to that guy Izzy on Instagram and YouTube, we have his 2019 Audi RS3. This has an APR Stage 1 tune, an AWE, windy, an AWE exhaust, upgraded wheels, and this thing is absolutely amazing. First thing we're gonna do is what an RS3 is absolutely stellar at. Being an all-wheel drive rally car, you have launch control. Left foot on the brake, floor of the gas. Nope, I didn't get it set up right. Oh my god, okay, I kind of got lightheaded there. That is addicting. Wow. All right. Yeah, she moves. She handles too. So APR Stage 1 is an ECU and a TCM tune as well. But this thing absolutely rips. My God. This thing is just stupid. Absolutely stupid. Oh, man. You know, and I cruised around in this car about 30 minutes to get here, maybe a little bit more. And this thing is a highway warrior. This thing will just cruise all day long. And then when you find some nice back roads like we have here, this thing rips. I mean, I'm sitting here, I was trying to upset the balance of the car and it won't take it. All it does is rip out of the corners. It's not unhappy with you. It's not upset at you. It's like, all right, you want power now? Okay, I'll give it to you. Wah! The one thing with German cars is the speed never feels right. And the speedometer is a little off due to the wheels. It never feels accurate. This thing is a weapon of a car. And as we were talking about, me and Izzy and I, whatever, I can't English. This is the perfect New England daily. Absolutely perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Once I find my thing. Yeah. Come on. There we go.